friends, welcome to my second video of animal facts. Last video I asked you to find out whether male or female mosquito bites us. So the answer is males feed nectar from flowers, only the females bite us, as they need protein and iron to produce eggs. Smart, huh? Amazing 5 facts. Number 1. Tasmanian tiger. Did you know Tasmanian tiger is half tiger, half wolf and half kangaroo? They're alright extincted. They have stripes like a tiger and a strong bite force. It's half wolf because it can run forever and looks like a dog. It's half kangaroo because both male and females have pouches like kangaroo. They have a tail to support while standing position just like kangaroo. I wish I can bring this animal back. Number 4. Butterflies have skeleton. A butterfly's skeleton is not inside but outside. It's called exoskeleton. It's made up of bone-like material called chitin. They have muscles just like we do, and that's how they fly. Number 2. Duck-billed platypus hunts with their 6 senses. Duck-billed platypus hunts without their 3 senses, that is sight, smell or hearing. They detect their prey by an electric field generated by all living things. That's called electrolocation. Did you know they dose their babies without nipples? Milk is released through their abdomen. The babies drink it by sucking the mother's skin. Horned lizards can shoot blood from its eyes. They have toxic blood filled within their eyes. They squirt the blood to cause a nasty burn. That's their trick. These lizards camouflage and inflate like a pufferfish when they see predators. If that's not enough, they increase the blood pressure in its head and shoot the blood. Ooh, I don't want to mess with this creature. Finally, the last fact. My favorite bird. I will give you clues. You can guess. This bird can dance. Their feathers spread like a skirt. Their eye color changes. Can you guess? It's not peacock. It's the lost Barotia from the birds of paradise family. They remove all the dead leaves and clean up the place. Make it like a stage. Male birds perform ballerina-like dance, hopping from one foot to another with head moves to impress the female birds. Wow, how can a bird do that? It's question time. How much muscles does an elephant trunk have? Write in the comment section below. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.